This man kept an old rotary phone in his home, purely for decoration. It sat on his coffee table, meant to add a vintage touch. But after a few days, he noticed something strange. The phone started ringing. The problem was, it wasn't connected to anything. No phone line, no power source, and every time he answered it, there was only silence on the other end. Not wanting to take any chances, he moved the phone outside to a shed, dismantled it, and left only the bare frame behind, hoping that would finally stop it. It didn't.
This haunted phone rings without power.
What makes this even harder to explain is that you can visibly see the bell mechanism moving as the phone rings. For that to happen, it needs an electrical signal. Something has to trigger it. So what's causing the call? Is this phone ringing for a reason? Or is there a perfectly rational explanation hiding behind something that looks impossible?